for Thursday, December 14th, 2023. Update concerning convective outlook day 3, valid for Saturday, December 16th, 2023. There is a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms over the Florida Peninsula. A complex synoptic pattern with much greater than normal spread exists across the suite of ensemble and deterministic guidance. The degree of phasing between southern and northern stream shortwave troughs over the central states is quite varied. Uncertainty also exists with how these features interact with a separate, yet to form, shortwave impulse generated by abundant convection over the eastern Gulf late Friday, early Saturday. A low confidence forecast exists for Saturday evening and night, but nocturnal tornado potential remains apparent across the Florida Peninsula. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather outlooks.